right, so you will see here, side by side, two recordings that the students made of their playing tests for the D major scale. They went in a back practice room and recorded them. Here is a recording of a student who could really benefit from listening to the other students' playing test. Let's just have a listen here. Okay, now I don't know how many of you are musicians, but if you listen side by side to this example, I'm sure you will notice a difference. Okay, so my struggle when I send them to the back to do these playing tests is they cannot benefit from each other. Um, this one student here could have listened and learned how to get the good tone quality. This other student could have helped and learned from helping and teaching. It's amazing when I watch them teach each other how they become better themselves. So that's why this way of doing their playing test is not always ideal, but it does get the job done.